Hey there everyone, my name's Brian and I'm a full-time teacher, and I want to tell you about how I'm able to make a lot of extra money for my family by flipping furniture on the side. This right here is a storage unit and I pay about $80 a month for the storage unit. My goal is to sell at least $70 a day in furniture, because by doing so that increases my salary by $25,000. If I increase it to $140 per day, that means my salary goes up to $50,000 extra. And if I can get my reselling game, my furniture reselling game up to $240, $250 a day, that means I'm making close to six figures at $92,000 extra. This is a seriously amazing way to make some extra money. And I'm just now dropping my guide, my self-written guide for you to purchase for $12.99 on my channel and on my website. So check in the description if you want to learn how to make extra money selling furniture. I go deep into how much you need to spend, about insurance, about the overall costs, what you need to do so, how much to buy things for, how much to sell things for, so that you can go out there and make $70 per day or $25,000 extra per year flipping furniture. The guide also includes how to buy and sell video games, so that you can also pick up some additional ways. This is modern reselling and it's modern business mindset. You can't just be someone who wants to stay at home and sit on the couch. You need to get out there. You need to fill up this your storage unit with things that you get for free or close to it, with dressers, with sectionals, with couches, with diaper changing tables, whatever you need to do. All you got to do is sell $70 per day in furniture and you can increase your yearly salary by $25,000. Wouldn't you love to be able to tell your wife who's working a full-time job and the kids are at daycare, wouldn't you be love to just tell her, like, hey, honey, you can stay at home because I'm going to be selling furniture on the side. It doesn't take me very long at all. And my wife gets to stay home with the kid. You know what I'm saying? This is a proven way to make some extra money. All you got to do is just buy my guidebook that I personally wrote. It took me a lot of time, so please, if you like this and you want to learn more about flipping furniture, flipping collectibles, and flipping video games to earn some extra money, because, you know, as a teacher, we aren't millionaires. We got to do what we got to do. We get the summers off and we got to keep ourselves busy because, you know, this ain't a free world out there. Interest rates are getting up close to 8%, which is a real game changer for those of you who want to buy a house. So could you imagine having $25,000 by this time next year by selling $70 a day in furniture? All you have to do is click the link in the description below, buy my guide, sit down, read it, check out all the videos I have on my Gravy Flips channel, and you too can earn how to make some serious side gravy in your extra money side hustle. You don't have to go to McDonald's anymore. You don't have to work at Walmart. You don't have to deal with things that you don't want to deal with. You can be your own boss and you can get out there and change your life for the better. That's what we're all about on this channel. That's what I'm here to try to inspire you to do, is for you to get out there, make yourself a better person, get rid of that depression, get rid of that anxiety, and start changing your life for better, man. You can do it. You can save up for that car that you want. Heck, if you do this for a year, you could probably pay cash for that, okay? Just follow my tips, my guide, and subscribe to my channel. And definitely check out my website and spend $12.99 to get my guidebook. Thank you guys so much for everything you do. I really appreciate having you as a community, and I hope to see you guys around in future videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. This is Brian from Gravy Flips. Have a great one.